Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So in the series of number system, today we will learn about the hexadecimal number system, right? So the base or radix of the hexadecimal number system is given by the 16. So it can be represented from 0 to 15, right? Hexadecimal number system can be represented from 0 to 15. So for 0 to 9, there is a decimal digit. This is 0 to 9. And for 10 to 15, it can be represented by 10 for A and 15 for F. That means 10 for A, 11 for B, 12 for C, 13 for D, 14 for E, and 15 for F, right? So if you see the representation of hexadecimal number system, so here is hexadecimal number system 1A04 dot 2C3, right? So this is integer part, and this is, right, fractional part. This is integer part and this is fractional part. And if you want to know the successive position to the left of the decimal, that means this side are multiplier for uh, the integer part. So for 4 it is 16 to the power 0, for not it is 16 to the power 1, for a it is 16 to the power 2, and for 1 it is 16 to the power 3, right? And the multiplier for fractional part, that means 0.2c3 is given by 2 for 16 to the power 1, c for 16 to the power 2, and 3 for 16 to the power 3. This is basically power of base 16, right? So now we will see the hexadecimal number system representation. Okay, so here you can see this is LSB, this is a hexadecimal number system, and this is MSB. So for 16 to the power 0, you can write 1. For 16 to the power 1, you can write 16. For 16 to the power 2, you can write 256. For 16 to the power 3, you can write 4k. For 16 to the power 4, you can write 65k. For 16 to the power 5, you can write 1 million. And for 16 to the power 6, you can write 16 million. Then 16 to the power 7, this is 2.7. This is mega, this is giga, that means billion, and 16 to the power 8 equals to 4.3 giga, that means billion, right? So this is basically a hexadecimal representation for integer part, right? So if you see how a hexadecimal number can be represented in the terms of decimal number system and in the terms of 4-bit binary number system. Okay, for decimal system, given 0, it can be represented in the form of 4-bit binary number is 0000, and in the form of hexadecimal it is 0. For 1 it is 0001, here is 1. For 2 it is 0010, here is 2. For 3 it is 0011, here is 3. For 4 it is 0100, here is 4. For 5 it is 0101, here is 5. And for 6 it is 0110, here is 6. For 7 it is 0111, here is 7. For 8 it is 1000, this is 8. For 9 it is 1001, it is 9. So you can see the hexadecimal number system is as same as the decimal decimal number system starting from 0 to 9, right? Starting from 0 to 9. For decimal number system 10, it is given by in binary 1010, but in the hexadecimal A. For 11, it is 1011. This is B. For 12, it is 1100. It is C. For 13, it is 1101. It is D. For 14, it is 1110. It is E. For 15, it is 1111, and it is F. So you can see starting from 10 to 15, it can be represented in the hexadecimal number system by A to F. A, B, C, D, E, and F, corresponding 10 to 15 numbers, right? Now we will see one numerical problem. So this is the hexadecimal number system, power of base 16. Now I want to convert it in the decimal number system. So I want to represent it. So how I can represent it? So you can see this is the multiplier for hexadecimal number system, already discussed for 4 to 0 and for a to 16 to power 3, and here for 2 is 16 to the power minus 1, and for 3 is 16 to the power minus 3. And if you mathematically solve this, 1a 04.273 power of base 16, you can write this: 1 into 16 to the power 3, 10 into 16 to the power 2. So for a here in decimal, I have written 10, right? For a it is 10 into 16 to the power 2 plus 0 into 16 to the power 1 plus 4 into 16 to the power 0 plus 2 into 16 to the power 1 plus 12 into 16 to the power 2 plus 3 into 16 to the power 3. So if you further solve this, you can find one decimal number system. This is, let's say, your one decimal number system which is equivalent to your this hexadecimal number system. So hope you understand what is the hexadecimal number system, and how you can use your hexadecimal number system. The application of hexadecimal number system is basically you used nowadays used in the embedded system and the embedded programming, right? So hope you understand the concept for hexadecimal number system. If you have any query, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.